Hello friends, good evening. As you know, the market is behaving like a headless chicken for the last 2 days time. You can see here there is about a serious fall in the Nifty. It has already fallen by about more than 400 points, and I think just let us see and analyze that at what point we should invest and where we should invest, right? So friends, let's first of all check that Nifty is perfectly in the uptrend till 18,100 is not breached. This is actually, as far as the trend line is concerned, it is touching here, and at the same time, if you see tomorrow, if Nifty falls below 18,100, then there is going to be a very serious fall, which it can take it to 17,600, approximately between 17,600 to 17,700. So I think at present it is because today what has happened is that market has gone down, then it has recovered a bit. Therefore I feel, friends, that tomorrow the condition may not be that bad. However, if you see the body of the red candles, it is almost same in both the days, that is yesterday and today, that is on 20th of October. Friends, now let us check also with MACD line, blue line is absolutely flat, and if you check the histogram here, histogram also is declining. So all these three things are showing that the market is likely to decline. And before I really conclude whether the market will go up or market will not go up, let us actually check with Bank Nifty whether Bank Nifty will actually give any favor to the Nifty. Now, when we say, friends, before I go further, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and comment if you have not subscribed so far, because it is yours. When you subscribe and when you comment, that gives me energy for uploading more videos. Now friends, let us check about the Bank Nifty as on as at the end of 20th October. Now if you really see for the last here, it was a very clear cut situation that market actually will fall, because this was an engulfing of a spinning top. 100% it was known to me yesterday itself that today market is likely to, Bank Nifty is likely to come down. And at the same time, now you can see, you are seeing here doji. Doji means actually that the traders are confused whether they should buy in the banking sector or not. This is very clear. So to understand it further, friends, I would like to tell you that supposing if all the stocks except banking stocks, if they fall, then what is likely to happen is that it is likely that it will have a great fall up to 38,660. I think now this doji works both the ways. Either the market goes up or the market goes down. Now uptrend is actually in vogue, or Bank Nifty is still in the uptrend. So it is really, as I said, it is a headless chicken. You do not know what will happen to the market tomorrow. And if we check, friends, the MACD here, again this is like Nifty, it is flat. There is you can see it. Histogram here also is declining. This is also showing a decline, and 72.33 is overbought zone in RSI. So actually the situation is actually not very favorable, but for the fact that it is only a doji. Now if I have to combine Nifty and Bank Nifty, so I will say that market is likely to fall down, but it is the market. Nobody can be smarter than the market, because this is how the trader actually will behave. Now I say that when should we invest? Friends, it is very simple. As I have put here only one moving average, and this moving average is of 10. This you can see here, I have put only one moving average. This is the moving average which I have put of 10. And friends, whenever Nifty comes over the moving average of 10, why I say 10? Because it is the shortest moving average. the market actually will again take up the bull run. So please don't invest everywhere in the panic. Okay, now just try to double cross the market, that I will buy, the bottom has reached and all that. It does not happen like that. I have put the moving average of 10. It is the shortest moving average for the share market to work with nicely. It is documented also. So friends, what I say is that till a white candle comes like this, or two short candles come like this, never enter above the what I say is the moving average, number one. Second thing is the overall sentiment actually has to be good, or the sentiment, national and international sentiment on the day you make a purchase should be positive only. That is number one. Second thing, friend, is now what to buy. Now friends, when we say what to buy, then it is the sectors at present, it is only the sectors like IT, chemical, banking and auto. In auto sector, friends, the most promising share is the Tata Motors. In the chemical sector, it is Balaji Amines. In IT sector, friends, it is Infosys, Mindtree, LTSS and LTI. These are the shares. Either the results have come or the results are likely to come shortly, very short, maybe in about a maximum a week or 10 days time. So these are the grand performers of the previous quarter. Quite likely that they will actually flare up because the market has declined today very drastically. So in my opinion, if I were to conclude, friends, I will say that go to charting.com. And in charting.com, friends, first see that the Nifty is above moving average of 10, and there is one gap up, white candle up, or two small white candles. Then only you make an entry to double confirm that you are you are trying to confirm that the downfall is over. And second thing, friend, is that be in the leaders of large cap and mid caps only. I have given you some shares. You can have some other shares of your choice, but your and my things do not matter in the share market. What matter in the share market is what is selling. So friends, my opinion I have told you. Now you can also check with your broker, or you can check up with your financial advisor. Fine. And if we are on the same page, you can always go ahead. Now I would like to invite your attention at the same time, friends, is that whatever shares we have discussed, I think with exception of one share, the name I am not remembering offhand, in my next video I will put, all the shares have done exceedingly well. Fine. So remain with me. Let us understand the market and not jump into the purchasing left, right, center the stocks. Only the stocks where the results, grand results have come, number one, or the companies are expected to give the grand results in about week or 10 days time. That is what is required to be done in the market today. So thank you very much, and have a good evening. Enjoy with me the share market. Always buy the best and earn in the share market. Thank you very much.